All right, welcome. Today, we are diving into a massive breakthrough that solves a really dangerous secret that's been hiding at the heart of AI training. We're going to look at a new algorithm and this hyper-efficient toolkit that are making vision AI faster, cheaper, and maybe most importantly, way more stable.
So let's just jump right in. Reinforcement learning, you'll hear it called RL. It's this incredible way we teach an AI to do complex stuff, like reasoning through math problems by giving it rewards for good answers. But for all its power, RL has always had this kind of dark secret.
And here's the paradox. It's pretty wild. For years, the harder you tried to teach an AI model using reinforcement learning, the more likely you were to cause a complete and total system failure. The very thing you were doing to make it smarter could actually literally destroy it.
And I'm not talking about just a little glitch here. Researchers have a name for it: catastrophic and irreversible model collapse. Just imagine all that time, all that expensive computing power you've poured into training a huge AI, only to see all of its knowledge just get wiped out, gone. This was a gigantic roadblock for the entire field. So you have to ask, what on earth was causing this? Well, it turns out the problem was actually baked right into the foundation of how we were rewarding the AI in the first place.
So the state-of-the-art method was this algorithm called GRPO. And the way it worked was by looking at an AI's answer and then giving a little reward, or a little penalty, to every single word, or token as it's called, that the AI produced.
But the researchers behind this new breakthrough, they figured out that this word-by-word approach was just fundamentally broken. Now, the paper talks about a misapplication of important sampling weights, but what that jargon really means is that it was creating all this high-variance training noise. Basically, judging each word on its own created this super shaky, unreliable signal that could just completely throw the whole training process off the rails.
Think about it like this. It's a great analogy. The old way, GRPO, was kind of like an English teacher who grades your paper by giving a score to every single word. You could write this absolutely brilliant essay, but you'd still get dinged for one awkward sentence. The new method, as we're about to see, is much smarter. It grades the whole essay, the complete idea.
So how do you fix a problem like that? Well, it turns out with a brilliantly simple change in thinking. This new approach is called Group Sequence Policy Optimization, or GSPO for short. Right, so instead of that noisy word-by-word reward system from GRPO, GSPO just looks at the entire answer, the whole thing, and gives it a single reward based on the overall quality. It's such a simple shift, but it aligns the reward with what you actually want the AI to do, and that creates a much more stable and effective learning signal. And the proof is right here in the data, in a result that honestly seems completely backwards when you first look at it. This chart shows how much training data gets clipped, or just ignored. The old method, GRPO, it barely ignores anything. But the new one, GSPO, it throws out a massive 15% of the data. And here's the crazy part. Even though it's using less data, GSPO is way more efficient. That just goes to show you how noisy and frankly ineffective that old word-by-word method really was.
Okay, so GSPO is the awesome new algorithm that fixes the stability problem. But a great algorithm is totally useless if you need a warehouse full of supercomputers to actually run it, right? And that's where the second part of this breakthrough, Unsloth, comes into play. Unsloth is a toolkit that is just built from the ground up for insane efficiency. First off, it makes training with these advanced RL methods 1.5 times faster. I mean, that could save you days, sometimes even weeks of development time. Second, and this one is a really big deal, it uses an incredible 90% less graphics card memory, or VRAM. And because it's so ridiculously memory efficient, it allows for a 15 times longer context length. What that means is the AI can handle and reason about much bigger, much more complicated problems than it ever could before. Let's just put that into actual numbers, because this is where it gets kind of mind-blowing. For a big training task, a standard setup could chew through over 500 gigabytes of VRAM. I mean, that's data center level stuff. With Unsloth, that number just plummets to about 54 gigs. This makes something that was once totally out of reach now possible on hardware that you can actually get your hands on. Okay, so we've got GSPO, the stable algorithm, and we've got Unsloth, the super efficient toolkit. Now let's see how they actually play together in a real-world example that you can go and try yourself, teaching a vision AI to solve math problems just by looking at an image. So there's this free tutorial notebook that this is all based on, and it walks you through 4 main steps. First, you prep all your data, the images and text. Then you design your own custom reward functions. This is really the brains of the whole operation. After that, you set up the trainer with all of Unsloth's magic,
And finally, you just hit run and watch the model actually learn. Now, the really clever part here is how you design those rewards. You see, you're not just telling the AI, yes, that's right, or no, that's wrong. Instead, you create one function that rewards the model for its process, for showing its work using the right formatting. And then you have a second function that rewards it for getting the final answer correct. This is how you can precisely teach the AI not just to answer, but to reason. It's brilliant.
So, what's the big takeaway from all this? The main thing is that using reinforcement learning to train powerful AI, well, it doesn't have to be this high-stakes gamble anymore that costs a fortune.
So when you put it all together, you've got this more stable algorithm, GSPO, combined with a hyper-efficient toolkit like Unsloth, and what it does is it basically democratizes this incredibly powerful AI technique. You get stability, so you don't have to worry about model collapse, you get accessibility on hardware you can actually use, and you get the power to train models to do really complex visual reasoning.
This breakthrough, it's not just some academic paper. It's a real, practical toolkit that puts cutting-edge AI power right into your hands. So really, the only question left is, what are you going to build with it?